Hello, welcome back. We're doing step 3 of our optical art tutorial here. We're creating these three-dimensional spheres. So videos 1 and 2, we drew the sphere, the checkered background, and then the checkered circles here to make it look three-dimensional. Here is the example of what we're going to be doing. We're adding color in this video, and I'm just going to show you an easy way to make sure that you do the color correctly. So here's an example of one that's done. This one I used black and white. For the example that I showed you, I used complementary colors, so I used blue and orange. You can use whatever colors that you want or that you have. You can even do it just in pencil, okay? So I've done this one already, and I'm just going to work on this one. When you're creating the checker pattern, you can start wherever you want. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to make a dot. And then I'm going to go vertically, and I'm going to do every other one black. So if this one's black, that means I'm going to leave this one white, and then I'm going to do this one black, and then white. And then I'm going to go down. So black, white, and that one's black. Then I'm going to just go in and color. When you're adding color, whether you're doing it in marker or pencil or colored pencil or paint or whatever, you need to make sure that you're coloring in the same direction. So if you're moving from up and down, that's fine. Just make sure you don't go up and down and then left and right. Now I'm going to shift over to the right or to the left. I'm just going to go to the right. If this is black, that means this one needs to be white. So I'm going to start here. White, black, white, black. White, black, white, black. Okay, notice I'm just making dots before I start coloring things in. That really helps me think about what areas I need to add color to and which areas I don't. So white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. And I'm just going to keep doing this till I reach the end of the sphere. Okay, that would be white, and this one's going to be black, and this one's going to be black. Now I'm going to go to the left side. So if this one's black, that means this one's going to be white. So white, black, white, black. White, black, white, black. Okay, white, black. White, black, white, black, white, black. And this really does help make sure that you have the checker patterns correct before you start coloring everything in. White, black, black, black. Okay, and some sections you are going to have a lot of color. So either like this whole section was black here or this whole section was white here. And that's fine because that's it. When it curves, it gives the illusion that it's going to be round if you have larger sections. Okay, so these are two. I'm not going to go ahead and do the third because you kind of understand, hopefully. What I'm going to do now instead is the background here. So I'm going to do the same exact thing with the background, except I'm just going to go ahead and do them all. So black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. And then if this one's black, that means this one needs to be white. Black, white, this one's black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. And it's going to be the same thing. White, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. That one's black, white, black. Black, white, black, white. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. And again, spotting these off, putting these little dots definitely is going to help you when you go to color. It just helps you really think about where you're going to be placing color or not. White, black, white, black. white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Okay, and then the same thing. I'm going to go all the way up here, and I'm going to color up and down, or left or right. But either way, whatever way you pick, you need to make sure you go in the same direction, because you are going to be able to see those marks. Okay. All right. After I finish this section, in the next video, I'm just going to show you how to make some shading, which will be the very last step to help make it more three-dimensional.